Okay, so the wire from the trigger, which is this wire, the white side goes to, come on, 4 and 3. Those are soldered together to the white, which go straight on through. And the other set of wires here, which also come out, go to number, oh, I seen a number on here, come on. 2 and number 1. And those two are also soldered together. So let's see, those two come out and then go down into here, which is on the white. All right, so on the plug again though, or the switch, this black or gray wire just goes straight in. Okay. So switch goes to these two, and the ones that come out and then go back into itself are 1 and 2. So gotta be another junction in there then.